Make thousands reselling ebooks online. The ebook that you see to your right is a prime example of the kind of ebooks that you can buy cheaply and resell for maximum profits. When you finish this video, you will know how to turn a $2 to $7 investment into hundreds or even thousands per month by stepping into the world of private labeling. It doesn't matter who you are or where you are from. You could have sales coming in within 24 hours of watching this video. Pay close attention. For those of you that may be new to the channel, I would like to say thank you for watching this video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Brandon Belcher, the founder of PLRhustle.com, the one-stop shop for private label digital products. But wait, what is private labeling? When you private label an item, you are able to purchase it, rebrand it, then resell it as if you are the one who created that product yourself. When you resell any item that you purchase, you will keep 100% of the profits. For example, you can purchase the ebook that you see below for $2, and once you do, you can resell that same ebook for $5, $10, or whatever price you set. The beautiful thing about this is there is no limit to how many times you can resell it. Do the math. If you were to resell this ebook for $7 and sell it 10 times per day to your social media followers, you'd make about $2,100 per month from a $2 investment. Step 1, go to PLRhustle.com and purchase whatever ebooks you'd like to begin reselling. If I must say that there's a secret online that people probably never told you about or shared with you, it's the fact that you don't have to create everything that you sell online. If you look at a company like Amazon or even look at a company like Costco, these are multi-billion-dollar companies, but guess what? They do not create every product that they sell. So what does that tell you? They are focused on generating cash instead of always creating. You see, when you focus on nothing but creating, you kind of waste a lot of time, and time that can't be made up. So instead of focusing on money, you are focusing on creating, and those are two different types of people. The people that focus on putting money in the bank are the people that actually last and never have to go back to a 9-to-5 job. So whenever you focus on selling instead, you want to look at something like private labeling. So back to Amazon and Costco. If you are someone who's ever heard of Amazon Basic products or Costco Kirkland Signature products, both of those brands are private label brands. They did not create those products themselves. They simply private label them, now they sell them to the masses. That's exactly what you can do when you go to PLRhustle.com. Any digital item that you see listed on our website, you can purchase, rebrand, and then resell as if you are the one who created it yourself. You can even put yourself as the author on any digital item that you see listed. There's ebooks, there's guides, there's courses, there's vendor lists, and many other things that you can check out, add your own spin to it, and then resell and keep 100% of the profits. Step 2, download your item or items that you purchased using a laptop or desktop computer. Step 3, rebrand your ebook if you want, or you can simply resell it as is. If you want to rebrand, pay close attention to how I do it. If you are someone who chooses to rebrand any ebook or any PDF document that you purchase from PLR Hustle, I always use the website sejda.com. It's super simple, very easy. Once you get to the website, all you have to do is click Edit a PDF document. Once you do that, you'll click Upload PDF file. You will find the ebook that you downloaded on your laptop or desktop computer, and bam, you can edit text, you can insert links, you can add and delete pages from the ebook, and really any other way you want to edit. If there's something that you can't do on this website, you can always use a website like canva.com to do it. But sejda.com, I'm not sure how they pronounce that, but this is the site that I always use to edit all of my PDF documents. Step 4, you'll need a platform to use to begin reselling your digital products. The number one best platform that I will recommend is Selfie. Go to get.selfie.com/PLR Hustle to get 10% off or simply use code PLR Hustle during checkout. Selfie is the best of the best whenever you decide to get signed up. All you have to do is simply click Add Your Product. Click Add Product, choose Digital Product, upload your ebook directly from your laptop or desktop computer, put your name, description, price, and all of that, and just click Save Product, and you will have a link generated to begin selling whatever digital items that you purchase from plrhustle.com. Step 5, you can begin reselling your ebook or whatever item you've private labeled. Sell to your Instagram followers, sell to your YouTube subscribers, sell via email, sell using paid ads, resell your ebooks any way that you choose. Thank you for watching. Remember to go to plrhustle.com to get started, and I will catch you in my next video.